Hey guys, Kristen here with the Seat Shop. If you've made it here, you're probably trying to fix your seat, but don't see your vehicle listed on our website. But first, if you're trying to fix your seats from home and you want to see more DIY videos on how to do it in your own garage, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell to be the first to see our new content. So you go to theseatshop.com and you start clicking through but realize that your vehicle is not listed on our website. Typically it's going to be one of three reasons. The first of that is that sometimes certain vehicles would use glue to attach the cover directly to a generic foam cushion, and they lack the typical attachment points both in the foam and on the cover to install it on the foam and the frame like all of the covers that we sell. So if you happen to have one of those vehicles where the cover is just glued onto the foam, what we're going to recommend is taking it to a local upholstery shop and let professional auto upholsterers redo your interior. You certainly don't have to, but that's what we would recommend instead of buying a cover and trying to install it yourself. So the second reason why we may not be able to list a vehicle on our website is due to lack of material. And for example, a lot of seat covers will have a special insert or design that is critical to the look of your vehicle. And if we cannot find that one little bit of material that was perhaps run in a very special limited edition and only for a year or two, then we're not going to be able to manufacture that seat cover and it match the rest of your interior. And a lot of these vehicles, because there's so few, they're just not in high enough demand to where it's feasible for us to custom make that material. And the third reason why we may not have your vehicle listed on our website yet is that we are actively patterning and researching various vehicles. So we want to make sure any cover that we release meets all the OEM standards. That means we'll double check that the color of the leather is correct, the grain of the leather matches, and if it came with airbags, we've got to do the airbag testing. So how many times have you ordered something online and the picture may have looked great, but when you received it in the mail, it wasn't quite what you wanted? So here at the Seat Shop, we want to make sure that when you get your cover in the mail, it's exactly what you wanted and it will install perfectly. We will test fit all of our covers to make sure that they install and fit properly before we ship them to you. So if you're still not sure whether we might be able to carry your vehicle or not, or if you would like to request a vehicle, then by all means, please comment down below or give us a call, 214-710-2565.